Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the difference between Tabnine versus Cursor versus Copilot. So basically, Tabnine is lightweight, fast and private and works in almost every IDE, JetBrains, VS Code, Eclipse, Vim, etc. Tabnine is self-hostable, ideal for regulated industries, finance, government and uses optimized local models, reducing latency and data exposure. No dependency on OpenAI, Microsoft, or large cloud APIs. Tabnine has no chat interface or AI agent style prompting and only autocomplete, lacks code explanation, refactoring, or debugging help. It has limited understanding of large code bases, no multi-file memory, and not ideal for beginners or creative exploration. But Cursor forked from VS Code but enhanced with GPT-4 and lets you chat with your code base, and it's asked for explanation, bug fixes and refactors. Full multi-file awareness and repo understanding, great for solo developers, AI workflows and debugging assistance. And Cursor, great for solo developers, inline suggestion plus chat plus agent-based workflows. Cursor agents can build features or scaffold new components. It works only inside Cursor IDE. It is not available in JetBrains, Vim, etc. Cursor is heavier on compute and can be slow on large projects. No on-premise or self-hosting options, cloud required, and still maturing as a mainstream IDE alternative. While Copilot is most widely adopted AI assistant and deep GitHub integration works with repos, pull requests, commit messages. Copilot chat provides code explanations, suggestions, real-time debugging help, and code generation and documentation. It works in most major IDEs, support teams, pair programming, and enterprise billing, and backed by Microsoft and OpenAI. In Copilot, privacy concerns, code may be sent to OpenAI servers and no self-hosting or local model use. It has limited customizability, autocomplete may feel generic in large projects, and chat can lag without strong internet. So basically, this is the difference between Tabnine versus Cursor versus Copilot. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.